Hello and welcome to our channel. The world of drone technology has come a long way, and DJI has been at the forefront of this revolution. They have a wide range of drones, from beginner-friendly options to professional-level equipment. With so many options available, it can be difficult to know which DJI camera drone is right for you. That's why it's important to choose the best DJI camera drone for your needs. Whether you're a professional photographer, a filmmaker, or simply someone who loves to capture amazing aerial shots, a good DJI camera drone can make all the difference. So, based on our research and information, we have picked the top 5 best DJI camera drones of 2023. These drones are packed with features that make them perfect for any level of user, whether you're a beginner or a professional. Remember, you can find links to each product in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Number 5. DJI Mini 2. Weighing less than 249 g, this drone is compact, convenient, and perfect for on the go. You can easily pack it in your bag and take it with you anywhere you go. The design is not only compact but also foldable, making it easy to carry and store. With the DJI Mini 2, you can fly freely and capture stunning images and videos with its 4K camera and 12MP photos. The 3-axis gimbal ensures that your footage remains stable even in windy conditions, so you can capture beautiful, smooth shots. The DJI Mini 2 also supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission, thanks to its OcuSync 2.0 technology. This means you can fly farther and see clearer, giving you the freedom to explore and capture your world from a whole new perspective. What's more, the DJI Mini 2 comes with 4x digital zoom, making it easier and safer to capture shots from a distance. Whether you're shooting a landscape, a wildlife scene, or simply capturing moments from a distance, you don't have to get close to your subject to get the perfect shot. With quick shots, the DJI Mini 2 automatically records and shoots professional-level videos with just a few taps. You don't have to be a professional filmmaker to produce impressive results. The DJI Fly app helps you create stunning videos with soundtracks and filters, making it easy to share your stories on social media. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, the DJI Mini 2 grants you more than enough time to compose the perfect shot and capture all the moments that matter to you. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced flyer, the DJI Mini 2 is easy to use, making it accessible for all levels. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo is highly recommended for anyone who wants to capture their world from a new perspective. Whether you're a travel enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply looking to capture memories in a unique way, the DJI Mini 2 is the perfect tool for you. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a compact, lightweight, and foldable camera drone that is perfect for aerial photography. Its innovative design makes it easy to carry with you on any adventure, and it doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with a powerful camera system that allows you to capture your world in stunning 4K, 60fps video and 48MP photos. With dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture, the advanced camera system provides high-quality imagery, both day and night. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro also offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, making it ideal for social media. The DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an impressive 47 minutes of flight time with the Fly More Kit Plus, so you can explore and capture your world to your heart's content. The drone features tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. In addition to its advanced camera system, the DJI Mini 3 Pro also offers an extensive range of intelligent features such as focus track, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Whether you're a professional or an amateur, the DJI Mini 3 Pro makes it easy to create and share amazing aerial footage. In conclusion, we highly recommend the DJI Mini 3 Pro for anyone looking for a lightweight, foldable camera drone with advanced features and impressive flight time. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your aerial photography game. Number 3. DJI Avatar. With this combo, you'll receive both the DJI Avatar drone and the DJI FPV Goggles V2, allowing you to experience the thrill of flying like never before. The DJI motion controller is also included, giving you intuitive control over your flight. From the moment you take off, you'll be blown away by the ultra-smooth 4K footage captured by Avatar's upgraded camera system. The 1.7-inch sensor, 155-degree field of view, and flagship stabilization technology ensure that every shot is cinematic and stunning. Despite its high-tech capabilities, the DJI Avatar is surprisingly lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry with you on any adventure. Whether you're exploring new terrain or just enjoying the thrill of flight, Avatar is built to handle whatever you throw its way. With an impressive 18-minute flight time, upgraded safety features like the built-in propeller guard, and DJI's advanced O3 Plus video transmission technology, you can fly with confidence knowing that your drone is always in control. But the best part about the DJI Avatar Fly Smart Combo is how customizable it is. The drone is compatible with the DJI Goggles 2, DJI FPV Goggles V2, DJI FPV Remote Control 2, and DJI Motion Control, giving you the ability to fly the way you want. Whether you're an experienced pilot or a beginner just starting out, the DJI Avatar Fly Smart Combo is the perfect choice for an immersive flight experience. So there you have it, folks. The DJI Avatar Fly Smart Combo is highly recommended for anyone looking to take their flight experience to the next level. Don't wait, make the leap today and start exploring the skies like never before. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. If you're looking for a top-performing drone that can capture stunning aerial footage and images, then you're in the right place. This drone is highly recommended and is packed with some amazing features that you'll surely love. First of all, let's talk about image quality. The DJI Air 2S is equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, which allow it to capture video at 5.4K at 30 fps and 4K at 60 fps. The 10-bit D-Log-M color profile is also worth mentioning as it can record up to 1 billion colors while still retaining all the little details that make the footage pop. Next, let's move on to the intelligent features. The Master Shots feature is the next evolution of Quick Shots, and it gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. The Focus Track features, Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, make it incredibly easy for the DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. The transmission capabilities of the DJI Air 2S are also something to be reckoned with. With a 7.5 miles max video transmission range and DJI's O3, OcuSync 3.0, image transmission technology, you'll always get an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. Lastly, the DJI Air 2S has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds. This means you can fly with confidence and not worry about any accidents. In conclusion, the DJI Air 2S is a top-performing drone that's packed with some amazing features. From stunning image quality to intelligent features and obstacle sensing capabilities, this drone is truly a work of art. And, as I mentioned earlier, this drone is highly recommended. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3. This drone is an excellent choice for photographers, videographers, and anyone who wants to capture breathtaking footage from the sky. The DJI Mavic 3 is equipped with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, which provides a 12.8-stop dynamic range. This means that the camera can retain more details in highlights and shadows, making it possible to produce professional-level photos and videos. The 12 effective still resolution will make sure that you get clear, sharp, and vivid images every time. With a max flight time of 46 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to capture all the shots you want without having to worry about the battery. The DJI Mavic 3 is equipped with advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which makes flying the drone safer and more convenient. You can fly the drone further with a max transmission range of 15 kilometers, making it possible to explore new places and capture amazing footage. The O3 Plus transmission system ensures stable and smooth live feeds. One of the most exciting features of the DJI Mavic 3 is the advanced RTH system. This system allows the drone to return to its home point on a fast, safe, and optimized route. Whether it's activated by a low battery or by the pilot, the drone will always return safely to you. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 3 is a highly recommended drone for photographers, videographers, and anyone looking to capture stunning footage from the sky. Its advanced features, such as the 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, 46-minute flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and advanced RTH system, make it a top choice for professionals. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best DJI camera drones of 2023. We hope this information was helpful in making your decision on which drone to purchase. Remember, when it comes to drones, it's important to choose one that fits your specific needs and goals. Whether it's for professional photography or just for some fun and adventure, DJI offers a wide range of options to fit your lifestyle. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest in the world of drones and technology. We've got plenty of exciting content lined up, and we don't want you to miss a thing. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button now and join our community of tech enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and capturing the world from new heights.